guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Sandy. So today I'm going to be doing an extreme clean with me type of video, more like a power hour. I'm going to try to get everything clean in an hour. I have so much to get done. And today I am collabing with beautiful YouTuber Andrea Jane, and her channel does a ton of cleaning inspiration. So please definitely check out her video after this one. I'm going to leave the link down below, and I'm going to leave an example right here of what her page looks like and some of the cleaning videos that she does. She is amazing and just so sweet. You guys have to check her out. And if you guys are coming over from her channel, thank you so much for stopping by here. Please comment down below if you're coming from Andrea's channel. I am definitely glad to have you guys here, and let's get started on the cleaning. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a quick overview on all the space that I need to clean up, and then I'm going to go make some coffee really quick before I start this, because I cannot do this job without being fully caffeinated. And I think this is worth mentioning. Cinnabon Classic Cinnamon Roll Coffee is the bomb. If you guys haven't tried this, you gotta. This has been my go-to coffee for the last month. And this is the second time I've bought one of these small boxes in the last 2 weeks. And I'm about completely out. "92 degrees out. Piping hot coffee in my favorite Starbucks cup. I'm ready to go. These I got from the strawberry farm. They were $5 a bucket, so you better believe that I am reusing these for something. And these are my favorite glasses. They are so stinking cute. These I got at Five Below. It was just like a whole set of dairy bottles. They came with like caps and straws and everything. So cute. And then this I got from the farmer's market. It was full of honey, so I'm either going to fill it with honey or use it for something else.
Coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. Coldplay on repeat, watching people.
So these are all about 1 or 2 months old. I'm really bad with throwing out circulars and junk mail. And I don't know if you guys do this, but I definitely utilize these little things that come in those Ulta catalogs because I can't always afford new perfume and ain't no shame in my game, if you know what I'm saying.
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
This little baby I got at Target for Ben shaving stuff for Father's Day.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken. And I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Now this is a huge mess, but this I will leave for another video.
Maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on. And then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. You, when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never ending sunshine. Feels Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn-out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, 'cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine. You know I want you close. Maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. Never-ending sunshine.
As a young girl, it feels we're mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Alright, so for whatever reason, this little area right here just happens to be dumping grounds for my whole family. Puts their keys there, puts our random things there, things that need to get sewn back on, and things that me and Ben have to fix because our kids like to pull apart our blinds. So we're going to super glue this back together because we don't know how much those will cost if we don't. And this was actually me to make this into a project. One of those things that you did at school, like the tornado project. Tape it together, put a little bit of water in there, put a little food coloring in there. I think that'll be fun.
No way, get it, mommy.
In a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Okay guys, this is the after. It's looking a whole lot better. Gideon took some toys out again. But a much cleaner kitchen. Oh yeah. I was gonna get to this, but it's already 5:45, so it's been a couple hours at least since I started this video, and I just don't think I have it in me. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe it down below for more videos, and don't forget to check out Andrea's channel and her video. Her links will be down below. But she does great content, so I promise you guys will not be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, I appreciate you, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye. Mwah.
Mwah.